Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best ninja ball is probably one of the most exciting and challenging toys for kids who love obstacle courses. This innovative product brings the thrill of ninja training right into your backyard, offering a fun and engaging way for children to develop their balance, coordination, and strength. With its adjustable design and durable construction, the ninja ball promises hours of active play and endless opportunities for kids to test their skills and have a blast. Number 5. YEEBAY 2PK Air Gun Shooting Game Toy. Introducing the YEEBAY Shooting Game. This exciting toy set includes 2 air blasters, a shooting target, and soft foam balls. It's perfect for indoor fun and makes a great gift. Each air-powered gun holds 12 foam balls, allowing kids to aim for different scoring pockets. The target is easy to assemble and operate, making it fun for target practice and family parties. The pump-action guns require no batteries, making them safe and easy for younger children to use. The soft foam balls are harmless, so kids can enjoy battles with friends without worry. Made from non-toxic, high-quality ABS materials, this toy is built to last. The unique sniper gun structure ensures durability, so it can withstand the air impulse without falling apart. Give the YEEBAY shooting game as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We stand behind our products and offer a guarantee, so you can purchase with confidence. What we like. This shooting game offers air-powered fun with safe foam balls, perfect for indoor play. It's a great choice if you're looking for a fun activity for family gatherings or parties. If you want a safe and engaging game for kids, this is the one. What people say. The kids love it. It was easy to assemble. It is a great way to get the kids active. Number 4. Glow-in-the-dark Capture the Flag Starter Set. Get ready for a whole new way to play Capture the Flag. This set includes everything you need for an exciting night of glowing fun. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. This game comes with 14 light-up game pieces. They have over 12 hours of battery life, ensuring a long night of play. Get ready to light up the night. This game is designed for ages 8 and up, making it fun for the whole family. It helps develop teamwork and social skills. Everyone can join in on the fun. Put down the phones and get outside. This game encourages players to run, hide, and chase each other. It's a great way to have fun and be active. Looking for a unique gift? This is an exciting alternative to traditional games. It's a great choice for birthdays or any special occasion. This starter set includes everything you need to get started. It has flags, jail markers, and territory lights. Get ready for an unforgettable game night. What we like. This glow-in-the-dark game encourages teamwork and strategic thinking, making it a unique outdoor experience. It's perfect if you're looking for a fun way to get kids and adults active together at night. If you want to get everyone off their screens, this is a great choice. What people say. The kids love it. It is easy to set up and take down. It is a great way to get the kids active. Number 3. Heroes of Jiu-Jitsu Glow Shifters Blazagon. Get ready for some powered-up action. These Heroes of Jiu-Jitsu Glow Shifters are here. They are ready to glow in the dark. Crush Blazagon's core to activate his glow-in-the-dark goo formation. It's a fun and unique feature that kids will love. These Heroes of Jiu-Jitsu Glow Shifters have unique goo fillings. Squeeze, squish, and stretch their super gooey, squishy, and mushy bodies. Kids can squish and stretch him up to 3x his size. Watch as he returns to his original shape. It's a fun and engaging experience. Kids can collect all 6 Glow Shifters heroes including the ultra-rare Gigatusk with Water Blast feature. Start your collection today. What we like. This action figure offers a unique glow-in-the-dark experience with its squishy and stretchy design. It's perfect if you like unique toys with a tactile element. If you're looking for a fun and engaging toy, this is a great choice. What people say. The kids love it. It was easy to assemble. It is a great way to get the kids active. Number 2. Sensory 4U Ninja Toys Weapons Dress Up Accessory Kit. Get ready for action with this awesome ninja set. It includes everything you need to become a stealthy warrior. This is perfect for kids who love to play and imagine. This set comes with a ninja mask, a katana sword and sheath, daggers, a bow and arrows, and throwing stars. It has all the essential tools for any aspiring ninja. It's a complete package for hours of fun. Whether it's Halloween, a ninja-themed party, or just everyday play, this set is ideal. It encourages imaginative play and lets kids create their own ninja adventures. It's a great way to have fun. These toys are designed for kids and are perfectly sized for them. The sword is 20 inches long, and the other accessories are also appropriately sized. They are easy to handle and play with. These toys are designed to impress and provide hours of fun. It makes a great gift for birthdays or parties. Get ready for some exciting ninja action with this fantastic set. What we like. This 15-piece set is perfect for role-playing and imaginative play. It's ideal if you're looking for a fun and safe toy for kids to enjoy. If your child loves to dress up and engage in imaginative play, this is a great choice. What people say. The kids love it. It was easy to assemble. The kids have been playing on it non-stop since we put it up. Number 1. Ninja Monkey Bars with Grip Ball Obstacle Course. This obstacle course is built to last, supporting up to 250 pounds. It's made from smooth, splinter-free solid wood and high-strength polyester ropes, ensuring safety and durability for your kids. Setting up this ninja line is a breeze. You can connect the carabiner to your ninja line or swing set in seconds. No tools are needed, so the kids can start playing almost instantly. The product uses high-quality 100% polyester material for the static ropes. They are ultra-strong and ultra-light. The rope ends are sewn and covered with soft plastic for added safety, and industrial-strength delta rings provide maximum security. Take the fun anywhere. This trapeze swing bar is perfect for backyards, parks, or even indoor setups. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so the fun goes wherever you go. If you have any questions or concerns, our US-based support team is here to help. They are committed to providing a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. This product is also US patent pending. What we like. These monkey bars are heavy-duty and easy to set up, perfect for outdoor or indoor use. It's a great choice if you're looking for a fun way to get kids active. If you have a backyard or indoor space, consider this for a fun obstacle course. What people say. The kids love it. It was easy to assemble. It is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.